So today we're going to be using a door spring tool kit, and we're going to be replacing our hinge with a door hinge repair kit. It's got the pin and then the two bushings in there that we're going to need. So let's get started. So here's the old work truck, and you can see here what a difference there is in the alignment of the door. If we open it and shut it, it shuts hard and it's not lined up. So we can see here it's all worn out, the piece is falling down. We have to get the spring out of the way to drop the pin down. Push that up nice and tight, make sure it's fully apart, and we'll be using a 1/2-inch wrench on this tool. I would keep that right like it is. Don't move it, otherwise it's going to flop out. So I'm going to use a hammer to tap that out, and just a regular screwdriver to get the bottom of this to fall down. I'll have to get that bushing off. Now my zip tie that was holding it up, that wasn't working. Put the new bushing in. Tap that down a little bit. Might need someone to hold the door to line this up now that the pin was out. We'll put the new bushing on top. Line it up. Tap this up with the hammer. I'm just going to use the old pin to make sure that bushing is nice and tight. Tap it up again. You can see it coming out the top there. And then we'll put the clip back on the top so it doesn't fall back through. Now we're going to put the spring back on. I'm going to place it in. And then we will loosen the tool. So it's lined up a little bit better. I mean, we're never going to get the complete sag out of it, but it does shut much easier than it did before, which is nice. Sorry for some of those bad camera angles. I hope this helped, and good luck.